Hi, I'm Kirill, and now I'm gonna show you Agentforce use case. I'll show agent which helps dental clinic with 24/7 appointments booking. Let's get straight to the point. So we created service territory with such description, with operating hours from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So p.m. basically working hours, and we assign to this territory next resources, basically next doctors. Each of them has skills needed to perform services, and services are service territory work types. Basically like tools extraction, you can see it has some description, duration, and also required skill. And that's it. And also I want to show Kirill H, for example. It also has some description, this resource, and it has services are skilled dental surgeon. Now let's go straight to the agent. So yeah, we created agent, and here we say that basically it's all be to help with scheduling appointment in our clinic. So basically for such a mission we have dental appointment booking and appointments overview topics. So topic dental appointment booking is basically used for helping assisting customer client to create an appointment in our system. So it will help with instructions, with help of instructions on actions. Agent is capable of guiding our user using our organization data. So we have actually next topic actions available for this. These are basically the hands of our agent. So let's now watch. Hi. Let's interact with agent. And we actually can see that it shows us some services. These services are from our list. And in instructions, here you can see topic selected that agent understands this queries about this topic and launches its instructions and actions. So yeah, we there. So, and actually because of instructions it shows us not all the services. It's tried to narrow it how it could understanding user query. So for now I want tools extraction. So, and now using get available for job doctors, it gave me 2 doctors which can do this. But let's ask for next week, Monday, early slot. And it seems I want Alex because his slot definitely earlier. Yeah, now it asks us to provide email address after it gave us available appointment slots. So we chosen slot, and actually for slots we created custom Apex action which uses Salesforce scheduler methods, and that's it. And so we got slots, and now it asks us about contact details. So it asks our email. Let's get some new. Let it be this one. Yeah, it recognizes that we are not registered and asks to create a customer. And we finally can see that a slot is appointment is booked. And let's see it in calendar. Yeah, we can see tooth extraction for Alex. Also, we can see service appointments. We can see that new one was created with next details, with wanted details. So let's now ask agent about another topic. Another topic actually is to show customer his records. So and it will ask us so this one handles inquiries related about appointment details. So now it has next actions, and let's provide email address. Let's load in appointment services. So it loaded next appointment. Yes, and it's actually correct. We can also ask more info about doctor and work type, and it will give it to us, summarize our description we used. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.